Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve screen resolution problem you are having on your Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings, and now under the scale and layout, scale will change the size of the text, apps and other items. Click on this drop down and select it by your preferences. And display resolution is to adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. Select this drop down and select by your preferences guys, and you can also select keep changes for this keep this changes, or you can also go back by click on this repeat. And that's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.